You could die and not know it. Just apply this to your face to look 16 years younger. This is a promise that may sound impossible, especially when you've already tried so many products, so many miracle creams, so many treatments that promise to transform your skin overnight. You've already looked in the mirror and wished that the years would simply disappear, that your skin would return to that firmness, that natural glow, that softness from when you were younger. The search for eternal youth is a journey that consumes not only our time and energy, but also our financial resources, often leading us to invest in solutions that cost a fortune, but deliver disappointing or temporary results. But what if I told you that the secret to radiant, firm, and visibly younger skin is much closer than you imagine? In a simple but incredibly powerful combination that can transform your appearance in a surprising and lasting way. My gratitude for having you here. May God bless you and your family with much health, beauty, and prosperity. We live in an era where the cosmetics industry moves billions of dollars annually, bombarding us with products that promise instant miracles, with complex formulas, synthetic ingredients, and prices that often exceed an entire family's monthly budget. Some people, especially those with greater purchasing power, spend thousands of Rs monthly on imported creams, latest generation serums, and aesthetic procedures in the relentless search for the fountain of youth. However, while this frantic race for expensive and often invasive solutions consumes resources and doesn't always deliver the promised results, there exists an ancestral wisdom, a millennial knowledge that has been guarded and transmitted through generations, especially in Eastern cultures, where natural beauty and longevity are valued above all. This wisdom shows us that the most powerful secrets for young and radiant skin often reside in simplicity, in the purity of natural elements that Earth itself offers us. It's knowledge that I have the pleasure of sharing, rescuing these ancestral practices and making them accessible to all those who seek authentic and lasting beauty. The frustration of seeing our skin lose its vitality with the passing years is a reality shared by millions of people around the world. We wake up one day and realize that those small lines around the eyes have become more pronounced, that the facial skin seems less firm, that the natural glow that accompanied us in youth has simply disappeared, replaced by a dull and tired appearance that doesn't reflect our inner energy. We try everything: night creams, anti-wrinkle serums, facial masks, aesthetic procedures, investing not only money but also our hope in the promise of renewed skin. We often spend considerable amounts on products that make us dream of a miraculous transformation, only to discover that the results are minimal or that the effects disappear as soon as we stop using the product. It's a frustrating cycle that can affect not only our self-esteem, but also our relationship with our own beauty and personal confidence. The feeling that we're fighting against time and losing this battle can be discouraging and even desperate. But imagine for a moment that there exists an alternative, a different path that doesn't require you to empty your bank account or submit to painful procedures to achieve the skin of your dreams. Imagine discovering that two simple, natural, and incredibly accessible substances can work in synergy to transform your skin in a way you never imagined possible. We're talking about ingredients that cost a fraction of what you would spend on a single bottle of premium cream, but possess transformative power that can rival and even surpass the most expensive products on the market. This is living proof that true beauty isn't necessarily associated with the price we pay for it, but rather with the wisdom with which we choose the elements that nourish and care for our skin. This knowledge represents a silent revolution against the idea that beauty is a privilege of the rich, democratizing access to effective and transformative treatments. The search for youth shouldn't be a race against time or a financial competition. It should be a journey of self-knowledge, of connection with nature, and of discovering the secrets that our ancestors already knew and practiced successfully. When we observe the beauty traditions of Eastern cultures, especially the practices of Asian women, who are globally recognized for maintaining young and radiant skin until advanced ages, we discover that their secrets don't reside in sophisticated laboratories or patented formulas, but in the intelligent and consistent use of natural ingredients that Earth offers us abundantly. Before revealing the 2 ingredients that can transform your skin, surprisingly, it's important that you make a commitment to yourself, an act of intention that prepares your mind and heart to receive this transformation. Write now in the comments, "I want young skin." This simple phrase carries immense power, as it represents your declaration to the universe that you're ready to embrace change, to care for yourself consciously, and to allow your natural beauty to flourish. Don't underestimate the power of words and intentions. They are the seeds we plant so that the transformations we desire can germinate and flourish in our lives. This phrase activates the energy of natural beauty in you, preparing the ground so that the benefits of the ingredients we're going to reveal can be maximized. The first ingredient, rice water. The first ingredient of this powerful duo is rice water, a treasure of Eastern wisdom that has been used for centuries by Asian women as one of the fundamental pillars of their beauty rituals. Rice water isn't just a byproduct of cooking rice. It's a natural elixir full of essential nutrients that can completely transform your skin's appearance and health. When rice is soaked or cooked, it releases into the water an impressive concentration of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants that are easily absorbed by the skin. Among these nutrients, B-complex vitamins stand out, especially vitamins B1, B3, and B6, which are fundamental for cellular health and tissue regeneration. Vitamin E, present in rice water, acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting the skin from damage caused by free radicals, while amino acids contribute to the production of collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for skin firmness and elasticity. But rice water's benefits go far beyond its nutritional composition. It has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that make it ideal for sensitive, irritated, or redness-prone skin. Its ability to balance the skin's natural pH helps maintain the cutaneous protective barrier intact, preventing dryness and flaking. Additionally, rice water has a natural brightening effect, helping to even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots, acne scars, and hyperpigmentation. Its regular use promotes deep hydration without leaving the skin oily, providing a smooth and velvety finish that many commercial products try but rarely manage to replicate. Most impressively, rice water stimulates cellular renewal, accelerating the natural process of dead cell shedding and revealing fresher, more luminous and younger skin underneath. The second ingredient, rosehip oil. The second ingredient of this transformative combination is rosehip oil, a true cellular regenerator that has gained worldwide recognition for its exceptional skin benefits. Extracted from the seeds of Rosa rubiginosa fruits, this golden oil is a concentrated source of essential fatty acids, vitamins, and bioactive compounds that work in synergy to repair, regenerate, and rejuvenate the skin deeply and lastingly. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, rosehip oil offers superior antioxidant protection, combating signs of aging and protecting the skin against environmental damage. Vitamin A, in particular, is known for its ability to stimulate cellular renewal, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, while vitamin C promotes collagen synthesis and contributes to a more uniform and luminous skin tone. You can find rice water by preparing it at home very simply, just by leaving half a cup of rice soaking in a cup of water for 24 hours, then straining and storing in the refrigerator for up to a week. It's practically free, considering you probably already have rice at home. As for rosehip oil, you can find it in pharmacies, natural product stores, or online. It's a minimal investment compared to premium market products, which can cost hundreds and don't always deliver the promised results. People with high purchasing power often spend fortunes on aesthetic treatments without knowing that this simple and natural combination can provide superior results. The combination of these two substances creates a unique synergy that addresses multiple aspects of skin aging simultaneously. Together, they stimulate collagen production, the protein responsible for skin firmness and elasticity, brighten spots and even out skin tone, provide deep and lasting hydration, visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and give the skin an instant luminosity that seems to come from within. The result is skin that not only looks younger but is genuinely healthier and more radiant. How to use. The method of use is surprisingly simple and can be easily incorporated into your nighttime skincare routine. Start by washing your face well with your usual cleansing product, making sure to remove all makeup, sunscreen and impurities accumulated during the day. Then, moisten a cotton pad with rice water, preferably cold, to enhance the refreshing and toning effect, and pass it over your entire face as if it were a facial toner. No need to rinse. Allow the rice water to dry naturally on the skin, permitting its nutrients to be completely absorbed. After a few minutes, when the skin is dry, apply 2 to 3 drops of rosehip oil to your palms. Rub lightly to warm the oil, then massage your face with gentle circular movements, concentrating on areas where you want to see more results. Make this ritual every night before sleeping, transforming it into a moment of self-care and connection with yourself. Consistency is fundamental to obtaining the best results, as natural ingredients work cumulatively, building benefits over time. In less than a week of consistent use, you'll begin to notice the first transformations. Softer skin to the touch, a subtle but perceptible glow, a general sensation of vitality. As weeks pass, the results will become even more evident, and you'll probably hear comments like, "Wow, what did you do to your face? It looks different," or "You look younger." For even more dramatic results, consider these professional enhancement techniques. Once a week, create a rice water face mask by mixing rice water with a tablespoon of honey and a few drops of rosehip oil. Apply this mixture to clean skin and leave for 20 minutes before rinsing. The honey adds additional antimicrobial properties and deep hydration. You can also prepare concentrated rice water by using less water. Try a 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water instead of the standard 1-to-2 ratio. This creates a more potent solution with higher nutrient concentration. However, if you have very sensitive skin, start with the diluted version first. Consider adding a gentle facial massage while applying the rosehip oil. Use upward strokes from your jawline to your temples and gentle circular motions around your eyes. This stimulates blood circulation and helps the oil penetrate more deeply. The massage itself has anti-aging benefits, helping to tone facial muscles and improve lymphatic drainage. During winter months, when skin tends to be drier, you might want to use slightly more rosehip oil or apply the rice water twice daily. In summer, when humidity is higher, the standard routine might be sufficient. but don't skip the treatment just because your skin feels more hydrated naturally. For those with oily skin, rice water is particularly beneficial as it helps balance oil production without stripping the skin. The rosehip oil, despite being an oil, actually helps regulate sebum production over time. If you're initially concerned about adding oil to oily skin, start with just 1 drop and gradually increase as your skin adjusts. Mature skin, 65 plus, may benefit from leaving the rice water on the skin for a few extra minutes before applying the rosehip oil, allowing for maximum nutrient absorption. The aging process slows down cellular turnover, so giving the skin extra time to absorb these beneficial compounds can enhance results. Common mistakes to avoid. While this treatment is simple, there are several common mistakes that can reduce its effectiveness. First, never use hot rice water on your face. The heat can actually damage delicate facial skin and cause irritation. Always allow the rice water to cool completely and store it in the refrigerator for that extra soothing effect. Second, don't over-apply the rosehip oil. More isn't always better. Using too much can clog pores and leave your skin feeling greasy. Remember, just 2 to 3 drops are sufficient for your entire face. The oil should absorb completely within 10 to 15 minutes. Third, consistency is absolutely crucial. Don't expect overnight miracles. Natural ingredients work gradually but effectively. Missing applications or using the treatment sporadically will significantly reduce your results. Think of it as watering a plant. Consistent care leads to flourishing growth. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every woman with radiant skin started with a single step toward better self-care. Tonight, when you perform this simple ritual, you're joining a global community of women who have chosen natural wisdom over commercial promises, authentic beauty over artificial enhancement, and long-term health over quick fixes. This combination of rice water and rosehip oil is just the beginning of a journey of discoveries that can completely transform your relationship with beauty and self-care. As you continue this practice, pay attention to how it makes you feel, not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually. True beauty radiates from confidence, self-love, and the knowledge that you're taking care of yourself in the most natural, nurturing way possible. This is a simple, incredibly accessible, and provably powerful secret that can transform not only your skin, but also your confidence and self-esteem. It's proof that true beauty doesn't need to be expensive or complicated, but rather consistent and based on nature's wisdom. Don't keep this knowledge just to yourself. Share it with the people you love. Spread this valuable information so that more women can discover the transformative power of these natural ingredients. And remember to write in the comments, "I want young skin," to activate your intention of transformation and be part of this community that believes in natural and accessible beauty. I will continue bringing you more ancestral secrets, more transformative practices, and more knowledge that can revolutionize your life, health, and beauty. Because I believe everyone deserves access to the secrets of youth and vitality, regardless of their financial condition. Nature is democratic in its generosity, offering its treasures to all those who know where to look and how to use them.